If you're looking for new ways to make money, look no further. It's amazing how easy that you can make money from your smartphone. Today I'm going to share 9 money-making apps with you. Hi, this is Joshua coming to you from JustFrugalMe.com. If you're looking for ways to save money, make money, and enjoy life on a budget, I'm going to encourage you to subscribe to this channel, and that way you never miss an update. If you want to make some easy money, then you should definitely check out these high-paying apps that you can download to earn extra money. Keep in mind that these are apps that pay you real money to your PayPal account, but you will not replace your income or get rich off of these apps. But it is a great source of spending money on the side, extra money to have laying around for maybe an extra meal or gas in your tank. And if you tune in to the very end of this video, I am going to give you a way that you can make $100 per day by doing a simple task. So the first app that you can use is an app called Ibotta. And with Ibotta, you can earn money in the form of cashback when you're making purchases at various stores at over 500,000 retailers. How Ibotta works is that you take pictures of your receipt or scan the product and upload it to the app. It only takes a minute or two. You can shop online at places like Amazon, Groupon, Hulu, Uber, and eBay, and so many more places. You link those apps to Ibotta, and when you make purchases, you instantly receive cash back. So if you use the link that's below, you will earn $10 today when signing up for the first time. Ibotta is receiving a 4.8 rating, and that's over 680,000 people that rated this app, where most of the ratings are 5 stars. The next app that I wanted to share with you today is an app called GigWalk. GetUpside can pay you up to $100 to complete quick and small tasks, and that's based off of your location. So if you're in a great location, you will get a lot of work, but if you're in a rural location, work may come in a little slower. Some of these tasks include taking pictures of store displays, products, testing apps, doing mystery shopping, and reviewing delivery services that's located in your area. Simple gigs take about 5 minutes to complete. With GetUpside, they have a 4.6 out of 5 rating with over 2,000 respondents. If you like watching videos, App Trailers would be the app for you. App Trailers pay users to watch videos about new apps. With App Trailers, you can even earn extra points by uploading your own video and getting likes. You can have up to 5 devices linked to your account, and that way you can maximize your earnings. You can get 50 bonus points today by signing up with App Trailers. App Trailers receive a 4.3 rating out of 5, and that is out of nearly 8,000 respondents. If you like giving feedback and your input about different products, with Surveys on the Go, they pay users to take quick and simple surveys. You choose which survey categories that you would like to participate in, and they will send you surveys. I would highly recommend that you turn on your location with that, because a lot of the surveys are based on your location. So if you visit just a Home Depot, while you're at Home Depot, they may send you a $10 survey to take some pictures and give your feedback on some of the product displays at Home Depot. Surveys on the Go receive a 4.6 rating out of 5, and as you can see, most of the ratings are 5. It is a really great app, and I personally use Surveys on the Go. If you don't like clipping coupons or uploading receipts, Dash is the app for you. Dash is like a set it and forget it app. After you link your credit card or your debit card to Dash, you will automatically receive cash back when you shop with Dash Partner. Get effortless money whenever you shop and dine at stores near you. Like again, it's no points, no coupons, no receipts. You can even earn cash back at hotels and rental cars. Only thing you have to do is link your card and you can get started today. And Dash has an awesome referral program where you can get $5 back per referral. So if you have a friend, family member that you referred to Dash, you will get $5 back once they link their card to Dash. Look at the link below for more information on how you can get started with Dash today. The rating with Dash is 4.7 out of nearly 100,000 respondents. Most of the reviews are 5-star. The next website that I wanted to show you is SlideJoy. SlideJoy pays you to view advertisements on your phone's lock screen. You get paid the same amount whether you're looking at it, if it's running, or if you interact with it. You can also earn extra money by playing games, taking surveys, and so much more. With SlideJoy, points are converted to cash payments, which are paid to your PayPal account. With Shopkick, it's simply as that. You walk into a shop, you walk into a store, you get points just for walking in. You get some more points for scanning different items. There's no purchase necessary in order to get those points by scanning the items, but you get bonus points if you purchase those items and you scan the items after making the purchase by scanning your receipt. If you create an account today and your profile, then you are ready to start making money on Shopkick. The Shopkick rating is a 4.7 out of 5 rating with nearly 50,000 people that rated this app. If you don't like paying full price for gas, there's a new app out there called GetUpside. With GetUpside, you save money on gas. When you fill up at a gas station, you take a picture of your receipt, and from there you will receive cash back to your PayPal account. And also with GetUpside, you can get up to 35% cash back at restaurants and grocery stores as well by uploading your receipt. It has a 4.8 rating out of 5. Over 32,000 respondents rated this app. And as you can see right here, they say it's an amazing app. So if you want to save money on gas and food, I encourage you to download GetUpside today. All right, so if you are interested in making $100 or more per day, consider driving with DoorDash. DoorDash is very simple. You log onto the app. They will ping you whenever a delivery is ready to be picked up from a local restaurant. It's based off of your GPS location, so you're not going to be driving like hours away to go pick up food. It's all based off of your location. You pick up the food at the restaurant and you will take it to the delivery spot, either if it's someone's job or home. And with DoorDash, I make a minimum of $100 a day just for a few hours of going out and just delivering food. Well, that's all I have for you here today. But before you go, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video with those who you believe that would benefit from this content. And remember that being frugal is not about being cheap, it's about being resourceful. Have a great day.